Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike with Natural Oral, here to reveal the top 5 silent killers attacking your teeth every day, habits you don't even notice. We'll show you simple ways to fight back, plus a Navy secret for repairing teeth. Check out the Navy Tooth Repair Hack in the description. First up, let's talk about chronic soda sipping, a habit that's more common than you might think. Whether it's a can with lunch, a bottle during a movie, or a quick sip to quench your thirst, soda is everywhere. But, have you ever wondered what's really happening to your teeth every time you take a drink? That sugary drink? It's not just a sweet treat, it's like pouring acid over your teeth. The sugar feeds harmful bacteria in your mouth, which then produce acids that attack and break down your enamel, the hard outer layer that protects your teeth. Over time, this can lead to painful cavities, sensitivity, and even tooth loss if left unchecked. Every sip, no matter how small, chips away at your teeth's protective armor. The scary part? You might not notice the damage until it's too late, when you see visible decay, feel pain, or your dentist points out a cavity during a checkup. The fix is simple, but powerful. Swap soda for water. Water is nature's mouthwash. It helps rinse away sugars and acids, neutralizes harmful substances, and keeps your teeth strong and healthy. Plus, it hydrates your whole body and has 0 calories. If you're really craving soda, try using a straw to limit how much the drink touches your teeth. And always rinse your mouth with water afterward to help wash away lingering sugars and acids. These small changes can make a big difference over time. You don't have to quit soda forever, just be smart about how and when you enjoy it. Make it an occasional treat instead of a daily habit, and your teeth will thank you. Remember, your teeth are irreplaceable. Once enamel is gone, it doesn't grow back, so every choice you make matters. Let's break the soda habit together and keep your smile bright, healthy, and strong for years to come. Next, let's talk about something many people notice but often ignore: bleeding gums. If you ever see blood when you brush or floss, don't brush it off as normal. It's your body's way of telling you that something isn't quite right with your oral health. Even a small amount of blood is a warning sign, often the very first indication of gum disease, also known as gingivitis. Healthy gums should look pink and firm, not red, swollen, or prone to bleeding. If you notice your gums are tender or bleed easily, it's time to pay attention. If left untreated, gum disease can progress from mild inflammation to more serious problems, like bone loss around your teeth and even tooth loss. Over time, the infection can damage the structures that support your teeth, making them loose or causing them to fall out. Remember, healthy gums don't bleed. If you see blood, it's a sign to take action right away. Brush your teeth twice a day with a soft bristled toothbrush, floss daily to remove plaque between your teeth, and consider using an antibacterial mouthwash to help control bacteria. You can also rinse your mouth with a warm saltwater solution to help reduce inflammation and soothe your gums. This simple home remedy can make a big difference in your comfort and healing. The good news is, if you catch gum problems early and take the right steps, you can often reverse the damage and restore your gum health. Don't wait, your smile is worth protecting. Smoking and vaping are incredibly harsh on your mouth, causing damage that goes far beyond just bad breath. Every puff of a cigarette or vape introduces harmful substances into your mouth, setting off a chain reaction that can impact your teeth, gums, and even your overall health. Cigarettes stain your teeth, turning them yellow and dull, and weaken your gums, making them more likely to bleed and recede. Over time, this can lead to tooth loss and chronic bad breath, making it difficult to feel confident about your smile. While vaping might seem like a safer alternative, it still exposes your mouth to a cocktail of chemicals. These substances can dry out your mouth, irritate your gums, and contribute to cavities and gum disease, even if you don't notice the effects right away. Both smoking and vaping dramatically increase your risk of gum disease and oral cancer. These are serious conditions that can lead to pain, expensive treatments, and even life-threatening complications. The best way to protect yourself is to quit as soon as possible. Quitting isn't easy, and it can feel overwhelming at times, but remember, your smile and your life depend on the choices you make today. Every step you take toward quitting is a step toward a healthier, more confident you. Talk to your doctor or dentist for support and guidance. They can help you find the right strategies, medications, or programs to make quitting more manageable and increase your chances of success. There are also many resources available, from support groups and quit lines to mobile apps and counseling. You don't have to do it alone. Help is always within reach. Quitting is the single best thing you can do for your health, your smile, and your future. Take the first step today and give yourself the gift of a healthier, brighter smile. Skipping nightly brushing, big mistake. At night, less saliva means more plaque buildup, leading to cavities and gum disease. Brush every night for 2 minutes with fluoride toothpaste and a soft brush. Don't forget your tongue, it harbors bacteria too. Make nightly brushing a non-negotiable habit. Overusing whitening products can backfire. Too much whitening weakens enamel, causing sensitivity and making teeth more prone to stains. Use whitening products sparingly, once a month at most, and always follow instructions. Try natural options like baking soda for gentle stain removal. Remember, a healthy smile beats an artificially white one. Focus on good oral hygiene for lasting results. Your smile will thank you. We've exposed 5 silent dental killers and how to defeat them. Don't let your smile fade. Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack in the description for more life-saving tips. Subscribe for more urgent dental health advice and protect your smile every day. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.